What if everything you know about life's origin is backwards? What if Earth wasn't the first living world? What if tiny microbes were born on Mars, billions of years before our own planet became alive? It sounds like science fiction, but some scientists have seriously explored this extraordinary possibility. Around 4 billion years ago, Mars looked completely different from the frozen desert we see today. Evidence from orbiters and rovers shows that ancient Mars had rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. Its atmosphere was much thicker, and liquid water flowed across its surface. At the same time, Earth was repeatedly struck by massive asteroids, making it an extremely violent place for early life. Because Mars cooled much faster than Earth, some researchers suggest that it may have become habitable earlier. If simple microbes appeared there first, could they have somehow reached Earth? This idea is connected to a scientific hypothesis called Panspermia. It proposes that microscopic life, or the chemical building blocks of life, could travel naturally between planets. When a large asteroid strikes a planet, powerful impacts can blast rocks into space. Some of those rocks may eventually land on another world. Scientists have already found more than 300 Martian meteorites here on Earth. These rocks prove that pieces of Mars have naturally traveled across space. Laboratory studies also suggest that certain bacteria can survive intense radiation, freezing temperatures, and even the vacuum of space. However, there is one important fact. No one has ever discovered living organisms or fossilized microbes inside Martian meteorites. Some controversial claims have been made in the past, but none have been confirmed by the scientific community. Another fascinating possibility is that both Earth and Mars simply had similar conditions at roughly the same time. Instead of life moving from one planet to the other, life may have started independently on both worlds. Today, missions such as NASA's Perseverance rover are searching for signs of ancient microbial life inside Martian rocks. The rover is collecting carefully selected samples that may one day be returned to Earth for detailed laboratory analysis. Those samples could provide the strongest evidence yet about whether Mars ever supported life. So, did life begin on Mars first? Right now, nobody knows. There is no scientific proof that life started on Mars before Earth. But there is also no evidence that completely rules out the possibility. Perhaps the first living cell in our history wasn't born beneath Earth's skies, but under the ancient red skies of Mars. Until scientists examine future Martian samples, this remarkable mystery remains wide open.